Okay, well, I'm just pulling my battery apart again because of voltage checks. But while I'm doing this, I thought it would be an interesting opportunity to just share what's going on inside. And the reason is that we had some really fucking heavy rain the other day. Really, really heavy rain. And not only did I ride in that, but I also managed to go straight through a puddle that was probably about halfway deep to my axle, which actually just turned the front end of the scooter into a bloody great ship bow, which just sprayed water all over me, which, well, I had a poncho on, so the top half of me was fine, but my legs got soaked. So anyway, so look, no real, adverse effects in there. Everything's all good. Nothing to really complain about. So I'm going to go about the battery, but I just thought I'd report this, that, the whole idea of suspending the battery from underneath what essentially is an umbrella with the weep holes built into the bottom of the pan for anything to drain out of, and even that has got holes in it so that it can drain out and drip out through the drip tray. So yeah, I don't know, I guess a lot of people are like, I don't know, can't think of the right word, fusspots. So there it is. No trace of any moisture anywhere, or good stuff.